you so much. Send for love, love. Can you do 100 sa keyboard? You will be mine if you do 100. I will kiss you sa keyboard. Where you from? Come on sa keyboard. Do 100. You will be my baby if you do 100. Drop some crow sa keyboard because I want crow for you. If you drop some 100, you will be my baby. I will kiss you sa keyboard. Iba naman ako. Guys, follow nyo lang ako if you want my copy. What are you doing now sa keyboard? Can you follow me back? Genesis, nice to meet you. Can I be your friend? I wish you have a good day. Dumpster, hello. Igaya, nice to meet you, Igaya. What are you doing now sa keyboard? You speak Tagalog. Why did you not follow me back? Tipsy, nice to meet you, Tipsy. Morning, have a nice day, guys. What are you doing now sa keyboard? Self-love sa keyboard. If you do 100 sa keyboard, you will be my baby. And I will kiss you sa keyboard. Nice to meet you. Hi, Dumpster. Ano na, no, Beats? Bagsak ka na. Kiss me. Genesis Jeric, nice to meet you. How are you and double are you? How are you and double are you? Sa keyboard. You have Diaz. You have Diaz sa keyboard. I thank you so much sa keyboard. Send more love, love. That's why I like you so much sa keyboard. Do 100. More blessings to come sa keyboard. If you do 100, you will be mine. You will be mine if you do 100. I will kiss you. Ooh. Hi, Win30. Can I be your friend? How are you and how old are you? Genesis, hello. Gabo, nice to meet you, Gabo. Can you follow me ba? I'm waiting for your chat sa keyboard. Kuya Nix, nice to meet you. Come on, do 100 sa keyboard. You will be mine in my heart if you do 100 sa keyboard. Help me to you guys. Lapit na kotahan, di pa ako kota. Shout out, nice to meet you, shout out. Can I be your friend? Ken27, nice to meet you. Guys, I'm newer lang. Can you drop some crow? You will be mine if you drop some crow. I will kiss you. Come on sa keyboard. Do 100. If you want to be a private, guys, just chat me. Drop some unicorn. After you drop end live, then just do private on TG, guys. 15k pa ako, tamote. Oo, Kuya Nix, magda-drop ka ba? Alam nyo ba, guys, malapit na kota na, hindi pa kota. Jersey, nice to meet you, Jersey. Can I be your friend? Hi, nice to meet you all, guys. Huwag kayong maya sa akin. Gait, nice to meet you, Gait. Can I be your friend? I wish you have a good day. Send love, love sa kibo. No, Bill. Sineme mo ako, no? Kulang ka pa talaga. How are you and how old are you? Oo, trans ako. May anak na nga ako eh. Dear friend. I wish you have a good day, guys. Ikaw muna, nanginginig pa for today's video. Kuya Nix, hello. Ikaw muna, nanginginig pa for today's video. Where are you from? Help me to you guys. Hindi pa talaga ako kota. Can you follow me back? Perfect view. I want to be your friend. Perfect view. Max, nice to meet you. Hi, 12. Good evening. Good morning. I wish you have a good day. Dami, nice to meet you, Dami. Can I be your friend? Send love, love, guys. Let's do private on TG, guys. Ika muna, nanginginig pa for today's video. I wish you have a good day. ID number, good morning. Richie, nice to meet you, Richie.